UiPath is one of the fastest growing software technologies of all time. The UiPath software uses Windows Workflow Foundation and harnesses the power of .NET to enable less technical users to more easily build complex code. By creating predefined activities such as UI automation, e.g. clicks and types, data scraping, API calls, and many other things, users do not have to start from scratch. Whilst the software is easy to pick up, it's important to develop code in a structured and consistent manner. I'm going to show you some of the key features of UiPath and, importantly, show you how to build a robust, scalable and maintainable process built to industry standards. My name is Richard Denton. I've been working with the UiPath software for 4.5 years, and in 2018 I was nominated as a UiPath Most Valued Professional. In this course, I'm hoping to share some of my experience and knowledge with you to ensure that you have as smooth a journey as possible whilst working with this fantastic software. I invite you now to join my LinkedIn Learning course all about working with UiPath. The great thing about UiPath is that you don't have to have any particular skills prior to learning it. However, there are some things which are prerequisite. Most importantly, you need to make sure that the software is downloaded. If you go to the uipath.com website, click Start Trial, you have the option to either choose Community, which is a free version of the software and is available for all users, gives you 2 studios and 3 robots, which is plenty to get started. Alternatively, if you are an enterprise user, you'll be able to get a free 60-day trial, which allows you to test and play with the software before purchasing it. For our purposes, we're going to choose Community, and then please proceed to sign up for a community account. You'll be sent an email with a download link, at which point you can download the software. It should only take you 5 to 10 minutes, and it's very simple. Whilst there are no prerequisites to learning UiPath, one thing that would be really helpful to get started if you don't have any knowledge is to get an understanding of .NET. There's plenty of resources online, either through LinkedIn Learning or through the Microsoft.com website, which will allow you to get a very basic understanding of VB.NET syntax. This will help you a lot when using some of the activities within UiPath and allow you to harness the power of the .NET functionality within your projects.